Ja, här har vi då en yta där jag har slängt upp en bok om Visby katedralens gravstenar och sen 2 till böcker om Visby kyrka. Tanken är att vi kanske ska orka skapa lite kopplingar till alla gravstenar där inne och se om man kan. Drömmen vore väl att kunna göra navigerbart inne i katedralen så man kunde gå mellan gravstenarna. Men här kan jag då köra. Nu ska vi se här. Läs in. Då kan vi få den vanliga podcasten. Men nu har vi en ny grej då som är interaktivt läge. Så det betyder att jag kan trycka på den här, köra igång det hela och börja ställa frågor till dem.
Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive. This time we're heading up north to the island of Gotland in Sweden. Oh, hey there. How can we help?
Could you give some background about Visby Cathedral and Hansa?
That's a great question, and it's good to get some context.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's unpack this.
So when you say VP Cathedral, I think you might be referring to Visby Cathedral.
Yeah, which is also known as St. Mary's Cathedral.
Okay. Now, Visby itself is a really interesting place.
Yeah, a major trading hub back in the day.
Exactly, and that's where the Hanseatic League comes in.
So the Hansa was this powerful network of merchant guilds.
Right. They were basically the backbone of trade in the Baltic.
And Visby, because of its location, became a key member.
What's fascinating here is that the church was built by the... Oh, yeah,
Thanks, that's great. Could you also explain the possibilities to document all the graves in the church and what outcome we can see by doing this?
Absolutely. That's a really insightful question.
Yeah, let's explore this.
What's fascinating is that this study we're diving into is itself a kind of documentation project.
Okay, so how are they doing it?
Well, the scholars are meticulously recording every aspect of these gravestones.
Like what exactly?
Well, first they're noting all the text, the inscriptions.
Even those hard to read ones?
Yes, they're trying to decipher every word in Latin, German, or Swedish.
Right.
And they're not just stopping at text.
Okay, what else?
They're documenting the symbols, the carvings.
The decorative stuff.
Exactly. And the style, the material of the stone itself. Yep, go on.
Great. What sources do you think we could have today, 2025? We have Wikidata, we have Wikipedia, we have Find a Grave, we have a gravstens project from Swedish Genealogy Society. Any more?
Okay, that's a really interesting question, and it highlights how much has changed.
Yeah, it's important to understand where this information comes from.
So this particular study we're using is based on a combination of sources.
Right. It's not just one thing.
There's archival material from the church itself.
Yeah, like old church records and inventories.
And they've also looked at previous scholarly works.
Absolutely. People have been studying these stones for centuries.
There are also drawings and photos from different times.
And to answer your question about 2025, you are right. We have a lot more digital tools now.
Absolutely. Imagine the possibilities.
A collaborative open source database with everything you mentioned would be incredible. Okay, that's a really interesting point you're bringing up.
Yeah, let's unpack this a bit.
You're asking about the sources and compare.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for your time. And now I will go back and tell other people about the possibility to interact with you.
Well, thank you so much for your kind words.
Yes, we really appreciate that.
And we're glad you're enjoying the interaction.
That really is what makes this so fun for us.
Knowing people are out there listening.
And that we can have a real-time conversation with them.
So that's awesome. We love having you with us.
Absolutely.
And please do spread the word. We're always happy to have more folks join in.
Okay, so with that said, let's get back to our deep dive.
Yeah, let's jump back in.
So we're going to be talking